今年是我提出共建“一带一路”倡议10周年。这个倡议的根本出发点和落脚点，就是探索远亲近邻共同发展的新办法，开拓造福各国、惠及世界的幸福路。
Mwanza, the second largest city in Tanzania, is located on the southern shores of Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa. However, due to a lack of proper water supply and purification facilities, residents here had long struggled to get access to consistent water supply, while many suffered from frequent health issues.
Most of the locals depends on fishing from the Lake Victoria. As the time goes on with the pollution and garbaging of the lake, even the water is not safe.
30-year-old Kelvin Kitaruka, a native of the Mwanza region, lived a distance away from the lake. He knew well how hard it was to get clean water.
All the water supply, the previous was not good. The people who are far from the shores of the lake, the water was not easy to get.
In 2017, the company Kitaruka works for, China's Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, undertook a water supply project in the Mwanza region. The project, launched under the China Proposed Belt and Road Initiative, was completed 2 years later.
The water project has benefited so much. With cleaning and treated, I am proud and I love what I'm doing, so that I can get people to live a very good and better life.
Not only benefiting individuals, the BRI is also infusing impetus of development for industries. In the suburbs of the Lao capital Vientiane, an industrial zone was jointly developed by a Chinese company and the Vientiane government. The Seiseta Development Zone is a major cooperation project between China and Laos under the BRI.
ในควบไปจึงการเริ่มตัวหนึ่งแล้วหนึ่งสินทางนี่เจรจาเริ่มต้นหันแล้วเป็นว่าพร้อมกันปัจจุบันนี้ก็คือกับ10 ปีท่อกับ
However, due to poor infrastructure in the landlocked country, the development zone once encountered bottlenecks.
ในขณะเดียวกันการเลือกเฟ้นเส้นทางเพื่อการขนส่งสินค้าค่อนข้างจำกัดมีแต่ทางทะเลและทางบก
Real changes came after the launch of the China-Laos Railway in 2021. It's a docking project between the BRI and Laos's strategy to convert itself from a landlocked country to a land-linked hub. Chinese President Xi Jinping and his Laotian counterpart Bonglin Sisalip jointly witnessed the opening of the China-Laos Railway via video link. Benefiting from transport convenience, the Seiseta Development Zone has entered a fast lane of growth.
ปัจจุบันการขนส่งทางรถไฟทางน้ำและทางบกได้เชื่อมต่อเข้ากันเฮ็ดให้ประสิทธิภาพในการขนส่งดีขึ้นเป็นต้นทุนในการขนส่งลดลงหลายเนื่องจากข้อริเริ่มนี้แม่นยุทธศาสตร์แห่งการเชื่อมโยงเชื่อมเจาะทางด้านการค้าการลงทุนและการไปมาหาสู่ของประชาคมทั้งโลกเข้าหากันซึ่งพร้อมกันนั้นจะก้าวเข้าสู่ความเจริญทางมีผาสุกบนเส้นทางร่วมกันต่างฝ่ายต่างมุ่งหน้าสู่ความสีวิไลเจริญ
The pathway to happiness could also bring fresh looks to an entire city.
Before, we don't have any roads before when we start here from 5 years, but now we have all of the roads is finished 100%.
32-year-old Egyptian engineer Mohammed El Tantaway has witnessed how a new city has risen from a desert over the past 5 years. Located some 50 kilometers east of the Egyptian capital Cairo, the central business district of Egypt's new administrative capital project is taking shape. The flagship project of the BRI was initiated in 2016. During a visit to Egypt, President Xi said that China was willing to participate in Egypt's key projects, including the construction of a new administrative capital. At the construction site, the 385-meter-high iconic tower will be the tallest building in Africa once completed. Tantaway, one of the first engineers to join the project, initially felt uncertain.
First time for me working with the Chinese engineers, I think that I will have some difficulty, but when I start working, I found other thing. I found it's easy for me to work with them, with the Chinese engineers, and we continue working day by day and year by year.
The project has gradually attracted many local talents.
After finish this project, it will increase the investments in Egypt. I was very proud to build something like this in Egypt, and also now my family and all of my friends, it's proud for me to make something like this.
عمل هندسي يعني فعلا يفوق، وإن شاء الله يعني هذا المشروع هيبقى يعني علامة مميزة لمصر كلها ويعبر عن مصر الحديثة إن شاء الله.
一带一路是大家携手前进的阳光大道，不是某一方的私家小路，追求的是发展，崇尚的是共赢，传递的是希望。